Look, I used to think green cleaning was just a buzzword, another way for companies to slap a trendy label on something and charge more. And honestly, for a long time, it kind of was. But then I stumbled upon something that completely changed my perspective. And if you're in the cleaning business, or even just care about truly healthy spaces, you need to hear this. I always prided myself on doing a good job. I'd buy the eco-friendly products, read the labels, try my best. But there was always this nagging feeling. Was I really making a difference? Was I truly green? It felt like I was just guessing, hoping for the best. Then I heard about the Green Clean Institute, GCI. At first I was skeptical. Another green certification, right? But what caught my attention was their history. They've been around for over 20 years, long before green was cool. This program stood for the importance of green cleaning while others scoffed. They weren't just jumping on a bandwagon, they basically built the wagon. What really resonated with me, though, was their philosophy. They said, a green label isn't enough. Real change starts with trained people. And it hit me like a ton of bricks. It's not about the product in your hand, it's about what's in your head. It's about skill, science, and understanding why you're doing what you're doing. I remember thinking, okay, but how do they actually do that? And that's where GCI blew me away. They don't just sell you a logo to put on your website. They focus on the frontline workers, the people actually doing the cleaning. They empower them. They teach you not just what to clean with, but how and why. It's the difference between just cleaning a surface and actually creating a healthy building. Because let's be honest, a sparkling clean building isn't necessarily a healthy one. But a healthy building, that one will always be clean. Think about that for a second. So, I signed up for their training, and let me tell you, it was a game changer. I learned about dwell times, the crucial difference between cleaning and disinfecting, proper dilution, microfiber tools, HEPA, and best practices for a healthy building. All those little details that turn a simple task into a professional service. It wasn't just about making things look good. It was about protecting people, improving indoor air quality, creating genuinely healthy spaces. And the best part? The training is all online, super easy to access, and even in multiple languages. And since the videos are done in 15 to 20-minute modules, workers with limited reading skills can still access the material. I could do it at my own pace, on my own schedule. No more trying to squeeze in training sessions or dealing with language barriers. They even use AI to make it engaging and accessible for everyone, even if reading isn't your strong suit. It felt like they genuinely cared about making sure everyone could get this vital knowledge. Now, this is cool. I have several Spanish-speaking workers in my cleaning service and some English-speaking. GCI supplies the video training program in any language that I might need. No one else does this. After I got my GCI certification, I felt a confidence I'd never had before. It wasn't just a piece of paper, it was a badge of honor. I knew I wasn't just a cleaner, I was a green cleaning professional. And my clients noticed the difference. When customers saw the GCI trademark on my uniform, on my marketing materials, they knew I was serious about quality and safety. It's not just about getting more contracts, though that definitely happened. More and more clients are asking for credible green certifications now. It's about the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're doing the job right, protecting people, and truly contributing to healthier environments. If you're serious about your cleaning business, about your team, and about providing real value to your clients, you owe it to yourself to check out the Green Clean Institute. They've been the gold standard for over 2 decades for a reason. Don't miss out on securing that next big account just because you lack this crucial credential. Trust me, investing in your people and getting GCI certified is the smartest move you can make. It's not just about being eco-friendly. It's about elevating your entire profession because your work provides a workplace that is not a health threat to workers, but a safe place to work.